is Oliko Auntie Dege. If today's your first on this channel, I am so happy to have you on board. You are so welcome. Yes. So today we're going to be talking about one of the most popular games in Yorùbá land. It is played by both adults and children. Okay. But before we go into all this yummy stuff today, you know we need to greet everyone together in Yorùbá language on the count of Ení o, Èjì o, Ẹ̀ta, ó yá, ẹ káàárọ̀, ẹ káàsán, ẹ káalẹ́. A kú dédé àsìkò ní gbogbo tí ẹ bá ti ń gbọ́ mi lónìí. Orúkọ tèmi ni Olùkọ́ Aunty Dege. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni lórí ètò lónìí, mo máa bá àwọn akẹ́kọ̀ọ́ mi sọ̀rọ̀ nípa ayò títa. Bẹ́ẹ̀ nígbà tí ọwọ́ bá dilẹ̀ tán ní ọwọ́ ọ̀sán mọ́rọ̀lẹ́ tí wọ́n ṣiṣẹ́ mọ́ tán ti parí iṣẹ́ òòjọ́ wọn, ìgbà náà ni wọ́n máa ń ta ayò. Àwọn ọmọdé á ń ta ayò, àwọn àgbà náà pẹ̀lú wọ́n sì ń ta ayò. Èèyàn méjì ló máa ń ta ayò ọlọ́pọ́n. Wọ́n á jókòó, wọ́n á kọjú síra wọn. Inú ọpọ́n ayò ni wọ́n ti ń ta ayò ọlọ́pọ́n. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni ayò ọlọ́pọ́n yìí ó ní ojúlé 12 tó sì ní ọmọ ayò mẹ́rin nínú àwọn ihò 12 náà. Ẹnìkọ̀ọ̀kan máa ní ojúlé 6 pẹ̀lú ọmọ mẹ́rin nínú gbogbo ojúlé 6 yẹn fún ẹnìkọ̀ọ̀kan wọn. Àwọn tí wọ́n ń ta ayò yìí wọ́n máa ń dápàárọ̀ oríṣiríṣi láàrin ara wọn. Bẹ́ẹ̀ kẹ̀dẹ̀ rèé, àwọn tí wọ́n ń wo ayò náà gan fúnra, àwọn tí wọ́n péjọpọ̀ tí wọ́n ń wo ayò ọlọ́pọ́n yìí láàrin àwọn méjèèjì tọ́jọ́ ń ta, àwọn náà máa ń dá àwọn oríṣiríṣi ẹ̀yẹ náà sílẹ̀. Ṣó yé yín? Bẹ́ẹ̀ kẹ̀dẹ̀ rèé, ẹni tó bá bá wọn lórí ayò tí wọ́n ń ta á ní mo kọ́ ta o, mo kó pè. Bẹ́ẹ̀ kẹ̀dẹ̀ rèé, a mọ̀ wípé ọ̀tá lẹni tó ní ọmọ ayò tó pọ̀ jù, òpè lẹni tó ní ọmọ ayò tó kéré jù. Tó bá wá kí àwọn tí wọ́n ń ta ayò ọlọ́pọ́n yìí wípé mo kọ́ ta o, mo kó pè, ẹni tí ó ní ọmọ ayò tó pọ̀ jù á ní ọ̀tá ń jẹ́, òpè ni ò gbọ́dọ̀ fọhùn. Ṣó yé yín wípé ó dá o, èmi gangan ló yẹ kẹ́ ẹ kí nítorí pé èmi ni mò ń jẹ lọ́wọ́ ní orí ayò táǹtà yìí. Ṣó ti yé yín? Bẹ́ẹ̀ dẹ̀kẹ̀rẹ́, ẹ máa bá mi ká lọ nítorí ọ̀rọ̀ yìí mo máa ní láti sọ kalẹ̀ fáwọn akẹ́kọ̀ọ́ mi lédè Gẹ̀ẹ́sì. Ó dá o, ẹ máa bá wa ká lọ. Alright guys, like I said earlier, we're going to be discussing about one of the most popular games in Yorùbá land. It is called Ayò. Okay? Now, this game includes ọpọ́n, ọmọ ayò, and 2 players. Okay? Now, ọpọ́n ayò, right, is carved out from a plank of wood, right, with 12 holes. Okay? Now, one person would own 6 of those 12 holes, and the other person as well, the second person as well, will own 6 of those 12 holes. In those holes, you're going to have 4 seeds in each of those holes. So that will be 48 in total. So that means if you have 6 holes to yourself and the other person's got 6 holes to themselves, so that means that you've got 24 seeds in all of your holes, likewise the other person. Okay? Now, the game, the way you play it is you keep moving the seeds round. There's a way you keep moving the seeds round, okay? Now, whoever has got the most seed, okay, is considered the winner. Whoever has got lesser seed is the loser. Now, whoever is winning is called Ọ̀tá. The person who is losing is called Òpè. Now, if there is anybody greeting them while they're playing the game, they will say, Mo kí ọ̀tá o, mo kó pè. Okay, that means I greet the winner and I greet the loser. Okay, then they will respond, especially the winner will respond, or whoever is winning, okay, will say, Ọ̀tá ń jẹ́, òpè ni ò gbọ́dọ̀ fọhùn. And that means the winner is responding, okay? but the loser dare not respond. Okay, and that is, and you will see a lot of people gathering to watch the game. They will crack a lot of jokes. They will even tease the loser, on several occasions, or praise the winner. Some will even bet who the winner is going to be even before the game starts. And these are the things that you're in Yorùbá land. These are the type of games that normally after everyone is done with their day's job, okay, they want to relax under a big tree or maybe outside their homes, okay, they gather together with their neighbors, okay, and they play these games. Okay, and that is Ayò Ọlọ́pọ́n, and we call it Ayò Títa in Yoruba language. Okay, so I want you to note these things. We know who Okpe is, we know who Ota is, we know what Ọpọ́n is, we know what Ọmọ is. Okay, I'm going to put pictures of this, okay, so you can see them all right. Okay then, as you know, until I see you next week, we're going to be saying our own double together on account of Enio, Ejio, Etaoya, double. Thank you very much. Eshu.